30DYC, a yoga training system to create real and lasting results.
Hey, it's me, Dashama, and now we're going to do Journey into the Heart. One of my favorite practices. It opens up the upper back and shoulders and helps you to create more liberation in the heart space. Lower the left knee down, low lunge on this side. On your inhale, arms sweep out and up. Interlace your fingers behind your head again and lay your head back. So see if you can. And we'll come into Anahata Asana, which will take a few breaths like this, just breathing into the shoulders, releasing any tension, lifting the heart, and slowly release. Pinky toe side of the foot as you lift the toes up to the sky, get a nice arch in the back. You could just keep the hands flat and just come into bridge like this. This is a more basic version. And then we're going to practice one of my favorite sequences, eyes closed vinyasa. So inhale, left arm up to the sky for side angle pose. So right knee is 90 degrees, left arm rising to the sky. Inhale, reach forward. Exhale, gently arch back. Lengthen the right side. And exhale, windmill the hands back down. Right foot back, plank position. Just breathing into the shoulders. Take a few breaths. Exhale, twist to the left, and your inner gaze goes inward, and you're looking up over the left shoulder if the eyes were open. Now we're going to do Qigong mixed with yoga. So I call this a Qi flow practice. And exhale. Good, one more time, inhale. And then back to the center. So inhale. And this one I like to do in a twist. So as you exhale, you twist and reach your left hand back towards the back foot. The palm, you want to pretend that you have a cup of tea in your hand, and you don't want to spill the tea. And then reverse it. Under the arm, over the head, following the cup with your gaze, and pass it to the left. Now we'll switch to the left side.